पहले अपना सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन दो बस। सही से दो प्रेजेंटेशन।
My name is Ankesh Srivastava and my father's name is Mr. Anil Srivastava. My mother's name is Srimati Suman Srivastava and I am from Sailima, Gorakhpur, which is just 12 kilometers away from the border. So guys, I'm just going to start my presentation over the memory topic. So actually we introduced...
भूल गए ना? कई दिन बाद हो रही है प्रेजेंटेशन? 2-3 महीने में। हाँ
नहीं सर, 3 महीने।
अरे तुम दिए थे क्या अकेले? अरे हॉबी बताओ, क्या अपनी क्वालिफिकेशन बताओ, इंटरेस्ट बताओ, क्या कर रहे हो ये बताओ, तब ना जाए कंप्लीट हो। क्या करते हो? भूल जाओ ना। कहाँ होता था अभी याद दिला रहे कहाँ? बच्चे बैठे हुए।
Good evening, guys. My name is Ankesh Srivastava. My father's name is Mr. Anil Srivastava, and my mother's name is Srimati Suman Srivastava. I belong to the Gorakhpur, means just nearby the Gorakhpur, that is Sailima. And my hobby is just to surf on the net, play the game, video games. All that hobby is related to the computer. I feel very proud and very imaginative that I am just belonging to this IT and just learning the things which is just interested of me, and that is the thing I am proud to be here. So guys, this is the thing, and the hobby which means that will be the according to you, and I am just need of that. That is surfing on the net, using the web, and giving my interest and just sharing my knowledge with the other people on the social media like LinkedIn, Facebook, here and there. So now I think I should just start my topic, that is memory. So as we always daily introduce with the topic that is memory, we always use that is a SD card, means RAM, just we always listen about that. There is a ROM chip. So guys, so what's the actually memory? Memory is the ability of the brain to store, retain and recall the stored information as you have put it in your computer. It is just of two types. The first one is primary memory and the second one is secondary memory. The primary memory is which get the first preference by the computer, by you and all the things. When the computer gets boot, that is the memory which gets the first preference. That is of the two types. The first one is RAM, means ROM, and the second one is RAM. Now let's talk about the ROM. ROM stands for the read-only memory. It is a memory which is non-volatile, means if there is a power failure, means suddenly your computer gets a failure, power failure, and there is no any backup for that. Then this memory which takes always live to a cell fitted in your CPU. So non-volatile, I think that is clear too. And also there is a RAM which stands for the random access memory. It is called random access because you can directly access any cell if you know the row and the column. And it is a type of volatile memory. If there is a power failure, then the data which is going to be fitted over that in the row and the column of the RAM, it gets erased when there is a power failure. But it is not with the ROM memory, because it is a non-volatile. It does not depend on the voltage of the cell or a battery. So ROM is a three type. ROM is used to just store the BIOS of the computer. BIOS means the manufacturer's name, model name, and the configuration of the computer means the CPU, and means your motherboard. And ROM is of three types. First one is CROM, EPROM, and EEPROM. PROM stands for the programmable read-only memory. It is a type of chip which is you can say that it is means you can say that it is means it is not filled. If you are going to just fill a BIOS in a PROM, then you will not be able to just erase a PROM because it is a read-only memory, and it is once when it gets the first programming, then after that you cannot erase the programming. You cannot just update the BIOS which is fitted in the PROM. And it is not with the EPROM, it is erasable programmable read-only memory. There is a glass over the chip of that, where if you just putting the UV light over that, then after a certain time it gets erased. Means you will be able to just update your BIOS and just fill another BIOS, another version of your BIOS to just for the performance of the better of your computer. Means EPROM is a chip which is once programmable, and that is able, you will be able with the UV rays that is fitted over the chip of EPROM. There is a glass. When you put the UV ray over that, then EPROM will get erased. Third, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. It is stands for. There is no any need of UV light with the EPROM. One. Because it is electrically erasable with the, there will be software to just erase the EPROM. Means you no need of any UV rays and the physical phenomena to just do with the. Then third one is the most efficient ROM where you can just erase and update the BIOS of the software. Now let's talk about the RAM. It is random access memory. As I have told you that it is random access because you can directly access any row and column, any memory cell if you know the row and column of that. And it is a non-volatile, it is a volatile, it just depends over the power of the battery. If there is a power failure, then the data going just getting over there will just erase. And we daily use RAM is get used in our computer. It is of two types. First one is SRAM, static random access memory, and dynamic random access memory. SRAM typically used in a cache memory because it is a very high speed type of memory. There is no any capacitor. It is just basically made up with the transistor 4 to 6 bits for each row and column, and there is no any use of capacitor in making of SRAM. But it is not with the DRAM. It is dynamic random access memory because there is somewhat use of the capacitor in it also. It is of many types. That's all.